All right, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my 8.5 by 11 pages that we've been making. I'm right here on my YouTube channel. I finally got the project sheets all done, and they're ready for you to purchase if you don't belong to my Scrappin Craftin Box Club or my page club. Okay, so you can purchase these separately. They're going to be $9.99. We made all 19 pages from the Simple Vintage Linen Market from Simple Stories. All right. So when you purchase this, you'll get the project gallery sheet, which is a photograph of each layout. Then you get the project sheet for each one of the layouts that has a photograph, the description of the paper and its measurements, and a brief description of where to put it. So you get a project sheet for each layout. Okay. And then I will also be adding the classes inside. So when you purchase it, you'll get the classes and the project sheet and the photo gallery. Okay. And it'd be inside my box account. That's where I keep everything. So I'm just going to quickly show you what we made. I think I'm upside down. All right. So we have that. Very cute. This paper was amazing to work with. And we worked till we pretty well had no scraps left. We had just a few scraps, and I said I was done. Oh, beautiful. Here I'd use a strip of tags to create this page. I love just creating, and I don't use any templates either. I just create. I just let the paper talk to me, I guess. And none of my they're not extravagant. I'm pretty simple. I'm scrapbooker. Once in a while, I'll do a few that, maybe extravagant, but not very often. They're pretty simple. But yeah, we had fun making these. Right now, we're working on the Remember collection. This collection was just, oh my gosh, beautiful. Be perfect for summer photos, 4th of July photos. Love the little truck. But yeah, the classes that I release those every Friday morning. And I usually make 2 to 3 layouts within an hour. I keep the classes to an hour. I do try and give you the measurements during the class. And it's $9.99 for the photo gallery, the project sheets, and I'll put the classes in there. That way, if you want to watch them on there, you can, or you can watch them, right here on YouTube. But it'd be yours forever to keep. You could print these off and put them inside a binder. How I do mine, I put all my photo galleries in one section. That way I can just quickly flip. Oh, I like that one. Oh, layout number 12. And then I find the project sheet number 12, and it tells me how to make it. And then I keep my project sheets in the back of the binder, and then all my photo galleries in the front. And then it's, just right at your fingertips. You're not spending hours searching the internet. You find something quite quickly, and you can sit down and, if you have an hour to scrap, you're scrapping. Because there's nothing more frustrating searching hours on Pinterest or wherever you search, and it takes you 2 hours to find a layout. Well, there went your scrapbooking time. Wow. Pretty neat. I like that one. I like the blue and the pinks together. That was pretty. And then that is our last one. That's we just had a little bit of scraps left, and that's what we made. All right, so if you would like to purchase this, I will put the link down below for you in the description box so you can purchase it. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you'll join me for my Friday classes that I release and learn how to make some 8.5 by 11 pages. All right, thanks for hanging out, and we'll be talking to you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.